Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. Today a short episode for create an execution square. Heads up! Another piece that is a must in every town is an execution square. So today we will make one in a very simple way. This is a very simple piece and you can make it in 1.5 hours, drying time included. I think it is very effective and on your table it is great. Stay a while and listen. This project is extremely simple, even for those of you who don't have a proxen. The only advantage with the proxen table is to create slices of different dimensions very easily. If you want to know how to do it without the proxen, take a look at my tutorial number 4. I created 6 slices of 3 inches by 6 inches and 6 slices of 1.25 inches by 3 inches. I started with the construction of the stone staircase. That's why I shortened my half-inch slices progressively, then creating the brick pattern using the aluminum foil technique to increase the texture of the bricks. I selected the thinner 6x3 slice to create the upper wooden platform. Here you can see how I created the wood grey, using my pen and an awl and a not rigid metal brush. Now the stone stage. I used my faithful glue gun to glue the slices of foam 3 by 6 inches. Then I created the brick pattern. I pressed some bricks while I made others stick out for greater dynamism. Once the leather was glued, I applied the same technique on its bricks. Finally, I glued the wooden floor. For the hanging beam, I used balsa wood, taking time to improve the textures. I used an awl for the wooden grain while I improved the general shape with my cutter. Very nice. I combined 2 pieces of balsa wood 3 inches long to the beam long around 5.5 inches with the hot glue. Now guys, you have to help me. If anyone knows how to proceed to create an hangman's nose, could you please link a tutorial in the comment box? I'm really always very frustrated when I have to make one, and the results are far from good. I would appreciate it very much. Thank you so much, guys. Please help me. This is a material that I'm using a lot lately. They are sheets of foam, very soft and elastic. The big advantage is that they have a very interesting texture, which is very well similar to this one on metal sheets. Moreover, it adheres perfectly, thanks to being very elastic. Check the link in the description box if you want to buy some of those foam sheets. Once the hanging beam was placed on the stage, I created the wooden block for decapitation. Piece of foam in the right sides, carved a little with the cutter. Then I made the wood grain and made sure it was the right size to place a smaller resin bucket. To color this piece, I used my usual technique for walls. See my tutorial number 1. Some shades from brown to warm grey for the wood. For the patches of blood, I used a bright red, very diluted. It will dry much darker, making it drip with the brush so that it infiltrates naturally between the wooden beams and on the bricks. Disgusting but beautiful. Done.
The axe, already stained with stale blood, rose with a powerful gesture. First the silence, then the cry of the crowd when the thirst for blood was finally satisfied.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!